Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making tabbouleh. It's a Mediterranean salad. It's very light and healthy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel before you go. For this recipe, we'll be using tomatoes, parsley, cucumber, green and white onion, lemon, and crushed wheat. The very first thing we'll do is take our crushed wheat and 4 cups of water. You're gonna set this aside and allow it to soak for 1 hour. After rinsing all my vegetables, then I get started chopping them up. And you're gonna chop everything up very fine. Yes, this is gonna be really time consuming, but it's definitely gonna be worth it in the end. So this recipe is actually from a good friend of mine. It is a family recipe. They're from Lebanon and they take a lot of pride in this salad. They say the key is the tomatoes and also the fine chopping. Today we're actually doubling the recipe, so if you're making this recipe, don't worry, you won't be making nearly as much as we are. We just happen to be doubling this recipe today because we're having people over. This recipe is something that you could actually make ahead of time, so if you are planning a party, it can be placed in the refrigerator up to 2 days after making it, and by doing so, you will allow the flavors to really develop. Next, I diced all my tomatoes, and you want to try to dice them as small as you can if possible. The very last thing I do before composing the salad is juice all the lemons and then season with a little bit of salt and pepper. At this point, you could go ahead and just make a vinaigrette and add the olive oil in, but for this particular recipe, we add the olive oil in last. To compose the salad, you add your drained crushed wheat, all of your parsley, your green and white onion, and your cucumber, and you add all of your lemon juice mixture to the bowl. Lastly, we add in all the diced tomatoes, drizzle with olive oil, and then season with salt and pepper and toss it. Now, I realize a lot of recipes for tabbouleh do have fresh or dried mint. This recipe does not. You can still always add it if you wanted to. The salad is officially ready to serve. Feel free to enjoy it with like pita bread, maybe grilled fish or grilled chicken. It literally goes well with anything. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.